Hello and welcome to the Chef Ramy kitchen. Today I bring for you a special Christmas recipe. This is leg of dog. It is a little bit fruity and crispy. So I'm going to start with boneless the leg. Just one side of bone, take it out. Because that meat you can get enough and delicious. On other side, I just cut the skin. I'm going to make just like a lollipop. So after all that, take the water with salt, cinnamon stick, star essence, and some bay leaves. After boil the water, you put slowly leg of dog inside. Make sure the skin should be bottom side. Around 10 minutes. After I cook, I'm going to take it out and I'm keep in the tray. So now I need to make sure that here is still there, so I need to remove all the things from the skin and clean up. So I'm take some white onions, at least one or two. I'm going to cut with roughly one piece of ginger and some cloves of garlic. After all that, I need some orange. Cut it in slices and just squeeze on the skin side. Yes, that all onion, garlic and ginger, put it in the same time. So I need some salt to season, some brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of honey. It is so fruity, it's fruity, it's Christmas fruity. And plum sauce you can buy in the supermarket. This is chili paste from the Chinese chili paste. It is so nice. They give a little bit of spicy on a little bit of color of the legs. So after season well, same stock here I'm going to add about 2 to 3 times and some chicken stock to cover it. Yes, now ready to go in the oven. 180 45 minutes. It's me. So after that, I take it out from the oven and look at that. It's just come like that. So I remove from the tray and I set with another new tray to make this crispy again. So this sauce I'm going to make so delicious now. That's all the things into the one. So after that, I'm going to cook this stock a long time to reduce as much as come thickness. You still need to cook. After that, it's looked like this. So your sauce is ready. I go make a little bit crispy and I put on the top the sauce. Yeah. This is so amazing. And your leg of duck is ready. Look at that. So nice color. Thank you for watching. I'm going to serve with a little bit puree, cut of puree. Yeah? You can add some vegetable as well. Thank you for watching. See